Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to the garden. I am thrilled to be pouring again tonight and to be here with you all, and just very, very excited to be able to stand up and put enough weight on my leg that I could mix and get ready and feel confident enough to shoot a video. So I am feeling much better. Yeah, that's good. So tonight we are going to do something that I love to do. This is a 24 by 30 inch gallery wrapped canvas from Artists Loft. I have taped and pinned the back, and this one I have actually pre-painted the surface and the sides and the edges. I used a Metallic Cobalt Blue and some pearl yellow and some 24 karat gold, and just dry brushed it on with a tiny bit of water, and then so I think it looks really pretty, and I think it's going to be a great base for what we're going to do, which is a transparent base coat and a modern minimal pour. So I'm excited about this. The last thing that I did was my logo over here. This was a resin template from Pour Away Fluid Arts, and it came out really, really cool, and I liked doing this one more because I used some 4-ounce squeeze bottles, which got me thinking about these other squeeze bottles I had ordered that were too big and what I could do with them. And I started thinking about the modern minimal pour, and maybe using the squeeze bottle would help me use less paint. So that's kind of what I'm playing with tonight. I'm also using a color palette that I absolutely love. Classic color palette, Dyke Brown. This is Golden's Dyke Brown. Think espresso, not milk chocolate. Very beautiful color. Golden's Turquoise Pthalo, another favorite of mine. Beautiful, dries deep and rich, very, very cool. I have some Amsterdam Pearl Yellow, which is one of my favorites. And I have some 24 karat gold, just for HOA. She's back. And then I have here some of my pouring medium, which is my transparent base coat. This is mixed to be very, very thin. It's a little bubbly, but it'll be all right. But there is no mound. It's just basically sinking into itself. So we're going to put down a puddle of this. We're going to put down a little bit of paint and more of our Flow Extender transparent base coat, and then we're going to tilt it up. So let's get started. I'm excited about this one. Okay, we're going to pour ourselves a nice puddle in the middle. Go over there. And we're going to start with the Dyke Brown. Do I want to torch that yet? Okay. We're going to very minimally cross. Do the same with the turquoise. Are you ready, darling?
Yes, my love.
Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love.
Here we go. And I am kind of squirting it pretty hard, so there's a lot of paint in there. This is the pearl yellow from Amsterdam. Ready, honey?
Mm-hmm.
You want to get that on top of those two darker colors. And we're going to do some gold now. I think I want one more layer of the turquoise. And maybe a little more pearl yellow. Minimal, Mina.
So you can't stop yourself.
Hence the squeeze bottles. Okay. It'll be all right. Okay. Let's get these out of the way. And put some on now. All right. You know I have to finger paint. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love. Semper Parentis.
All right, here you go. It doesn't look like very much, does it? We're gonna stop there. I like it. That's cool. I think that's awesome. What do you think, honey?
Oh, yeah. Keep remembering that all that white's going to turn transparent.
Wow, that's awesome.
Except for the pearl yellow.
Then the gold is there. I love this. It's all gonna be like. I love that Van Dyke Brown. You see how nice and rich that is?
Mm-hmm.
Even stretched out that much. Okay. All right, this is awesome. I'm very, very happy with this. I love this transparent effect and this layered look that we're getting. I love this. It's stretched out. And this is opened up, and this is opened up. It's really cool. I like that there's some negative space because we're going to see the pre-painted back. This is cool. I'll show you guys when it's dry. Thank you so much for hanging out with us tonight. This was a lot of fun. We'll see you in a minute. Okay, here we are a couple days later and it's all dry. I'm so happy with how this turned out. I think this turned out beautiful. That color palette of the Van Dyke Brown and the Phthalo turquoise and the pearl yellow and the 24 karat gold is just so beautiful to me. I really like how the pre-painted base turned out. I think that's gorgeous. I love the layering in there. I love the transparency. Very, very cool stuff. Okay, HOA, are you ready for your tilties? Okay, that looks awesome. A little more side to side, like bigger. Yeah. Okay, maybe some up and down. No, not that up and down. Everybody's a comedian. All right, thank you. Thank you very much, HOA. So this one turned out really, really cool. I love this. I love the simplicity of it and that modern minimal style, and I really love the transparent base coats. You know, it's just a little bit of a surprise factor. I enjoy watching them dry bit by bit. It's very exciting to me. So thank you so much for being here. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, and we will see you real soon. Bye-bye.